So I just unboxed my Tapo Smart Plug, and this is the Tapo P100 model, and in this video I'll be showing you how to set it up for the first time. Now the first thing you need to do is obviously connect this to power, and I have a power outlet right here, so simply connect that to power just like that, and it's now going to turn on. As you can see, it starts flashing white and green. Now, the next thing you need to do is simply download the Tapo app from the Play Store, and I've made another video showing you how to do just that. But really quickly, simply go into the Play Store and then find the Tapo app. So search for Tapo or TP-Link Tapo, whatever you, here it is. This is the app. And then once you find it, simply tap on install to install it, and once it's done installing, simply tap on open to open it. Now once you open the app, you're going to be prompted to create a TP-Link ID if you don't have one, or if you have one, simply log into the TP-Link ID. And once you do all that, you're going to be brought to this page where you can now start setting up your TP-Link smart plug. Now while it's on and while you're on this app, simply tap on the plus icon in the top right corner, just like that, and select add device. So tap on add device, and then it's going to start scanning for devices, and it may automatically detect your Tapo Smart Plug. If it doesn't do that immediately, you can simply find the plugs option, because this is a smart plug. Tap on that and then select the model of your smart plug, just like that. So power saving mode may affect the use of the Tapo app. Please turn it off on your phone or tablet and try again. Simply say OK. And because my Tapo Smart Plug is already flashing orange and green, as it says here, simply tap on already orange and green. And then now it's going to establish a connection with your smart plug. So wait for that to happen. And once that is done, and once it finds it, it's now going to attempt to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Now, it's important to note that you need to select a 2.4G network for your Tapo device, because this is the only band of Wi-Fi network that works with this smart plug. So select any device, and you need to know the password to that Wi-Fi network. So select your Wi-Fi network and then enter the password. So I'll enter mine. Once I enter the password, simply tap on next, then select next, and it's now going to connect to your router directly. So wait for that connection to be established once again. This smart plug is now attempting to connect to your network through the router. Once it's successful, you're going to be prompted to rename your device or name your device. So I'll leave mine as the Tapo P100. Tap on next, and then where have you placed this Tapo device? Simply select office, or you can select custom and edit a new name if it's a different room, or you can select from any of these pre-existing options right here. So I'll leave mine at office and then tap on next. And then choose an icon for your Tapo device. Choose any icon you want, but mine is a smart plug, so I'll leave it at that. Tap on next. And once it's done, it's going to ask you to check the firmware version. So tap on check firmware. And if you already have the latest firmware, it's going to tell you congratulations, you have the latest firmware. If not, you're going to be prompted to update. But once you select that, simply tap on sounds good. If there's a firmware update, you may be prompted to change the update time to do it later, but you can always do this later. You can check the video I'll do down below to be able to know how to change this time or to set automatic updates. Tap on got it, and there you go. Now your Tapo smart plug has been set up, and now you can test to see if it works. So I'll connect my charger, just like that, and as you can see, it's currently charging my phone. There you go. And I can simply control it from here by turning this option off, just like that. And once it turns off, the phone stops charging. And then once I turn it on again, the phone starts charging. And that's basically how to set up your Tapo Smart Plug. Like I said, this is the Tapo P100 model, but these instructions will apply to any smart plug from Tapo. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them down below and we'll get back to you. If this video was useful, thank you for watching. Take care and God bless.